No, you have to do it harder. Guys, we're gonna take a survey and see which duck's better. Here, let me step on it. Hey. 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 How you doing?
Good seat.
Yeah, I know. Hey, man. Hey. How you doing?
Hell of a place to hang out.
Oh, yeah, I know, right? Hey. You like these ducks? I spent so much time getting these. Hey, man. Do you like my ducks?
Beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Do you like my ducks?
I love your ducks.
Good. You seem like a guy who knows his body washes. Doesn't that make you a basic stuff?
Can you tell us which one you like the best?
Oh, here. Oh, yeah.
Alright, ready?
There's a blue duck, a breast cancer duck, a baby duck, a ninja duck, a ninja duck, and an elephant duck.
Oh gosh, I really like the blue duck.
The blue duck?
Oh,
They're all fabulous ducks, aren't they?
They're all fabulous ducks. I like this one best.
You like the baby duck?
Yeah. Ninja duck.
Which ninja duck?
Oh.
Thanks.
I'm partial to the color green, so I'm going to have to go with the blue duck.
Oh, yay, thank you.
The ninja duck.
Which one?
That one.
Blue duck.
I like the elephant duck. He's pretty.
Oh, yay.
What's your favorite? You like the ninja duck?
You're
Thank
cool.
you, sir. Have a nice day. Hi, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Do you like peanut butter?
Sure.
Crunchy or smooth?
Smooth.
Smooth.
Yes. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask you a question? Yeah. What did you have for breakfast this morning?
Cottage cheese and some mixed nuts.
Thank you. Thank you.
What is your favorite Disney movie?
Disney movie?
Yes.
Probably Aladdin.
Yes.